Most small business owners set up their Google business profile once and never touch it again, leaving money on the table. For many customers, your Google profile is the first thing they see before your website or social media. If it looks stale or incomplete, they move on to the next result. The good news, you can fix this in a few hours using free AI tools. No agency, no technical skills needed. Your business description. Google gives you 750 characters to tell people who you are and why they should choose you. Most owners leave it blank or write generic phrases like quality service at affordable prices, which says nothing. Instead, open ChatGPT or Claude and give it specific details. Your city, what you do, how long you've been open, who your customers are, and what makes you different. For example, write a 700-character Google business profile description for a family-owned HVAC company in Columbus, Ohio, in business since 2009, offering same-day service to homeowners. The more detail you provide, the better the output. Read it aloud and rewrite any part that doesn't sound like you. AI tends to be overly polished. If you're direct with customers, make it more direct. Important limitation: AI doesn't actually know your business. If you don't provide details, it will make things up. Always verify every sentence for accuracy before publishing. Your Q&A section. Google sometimes pulls Q&A answers directly into search results. Most owners ignore this section, but you can seed it yourself by posting questions customers already ask. Ask AI to list the 10 most common questions before booking with a business like yours. Then write friendly answers to each. You already know the answers. AI just formats them correctly. Log in and paste them manually. Takes about 20 minutes total. Responding to reviews. Responding to every review signals your profile is active and you care. But it gets repetitive. Use AI to generate responses that reference something specific the reviewer mentioned and sound warm. For negative reviews, ask for something professional that acknowledges the issue and offers offline resolution without admitting fault. Watch out. AI responses can sound corporate. Read aloud and rewrite if it doesn't sound like you talking to a customer. Google Posts. These short updates appear in search results and expire after 7 days. Batch create a month's worth in one sitting. Ask AI to write 4 posts under 150 words each, 1 per week. You'll have drafts in 30 seconds. Post once weekly. Your profile looks current all month with minimal effort. Service descriptions. Many owners just list the service name and price. Instead, write benefit-focused descriptions. The difference between 60-minute deep tissue massage, $90, and 60-minute deep tissue massage with knot relief by a licensed therapist in a quiet room, $90, is real. Use AI to write short descriptions for your top 5 services, focusing on what customers get, not just what the service is. The bottom line: everything covered here, description, Q&A, review responses, posts, and service descriptions, takes one focused afternoon using free tools. Your profile doesn't have to be set and forget. It can work for you every single day.